Yeah. Alright. Sorry. Every day I'm in the street, famous open rain and heat. Niggas see they don't play it where I'm from, you don't sleep. Niggas coming out the bushes, cause none of these niggas pussies. And when the topic come, I leave you glistening. I can't explain it, it's the thing because it's still raining. A lot of pain that's in your mind, but it ain't never draining. Just like the game is never changing, but who is we blaming? We just blaming the entertainment. So tell me, how could you blame it on society when niggas got their eye on me? I can't even forget what I was smoking, fire weed, got it in my lungs. Why you looking at me? Cause you're looking so dumb, let's get it twisted. I know you with it cause I'm addicted to doing what I do. Niggas hating on me, it's wicked because I'm so cool. When I shoot that shit, I get hyped up like Goku. So tell me why you can't explain it. Do I know you? Cause you look so cool. But then again, I'm so confused cause I owe you a couple dollars. Should've let me holler way back. But I guess that's how it is, cause now I'm making straight stacks on you motherfuckers. I guess you hate it cause I know you love it. But we used to be like my brother. I even knew your mother knew my sister. And yeah, for a fact, my sister told me to tell you that she missed you, but she changed up. Tell me, can you blame her? No, you can't blame her because we in the rain, bruh. Hope to stay the same, but no matter what we go through. But I guess I gotta say I never regret the fact I know you. I know you will never change up, that's why I still claim you as my homie. All the other shit they say I think it's phony. But if you think that it ain't, nigga, come on me. I don't know, homie. The other shit they say is phony. You tell me if you want it, then you could be my next opponent. I put my foes up, I never fold up. Nigga, hold up, nigga, they tryna expose ya. But then I smoke the doze up. That's when I get hot and watch my eyes get low. And if a nigga get wrong, that's when I gotta get dope. I get more from niggas that I flip by. Niggas think I'm playing, but they scared cause that shit fire. Hop up out my hip, and I bet a nigga grip. I don't play no games cause I'm coming like a hip. I will chill. Nigga know about me cause I make a deal. I'm a soldier with my hat, I'm in the battlefield. Pray to God every night because this shit is real. A young nigga said and making it with my grill. I locked him up when I got locked up. I told him crackers that I got you. And then that's when little Kobe got shot up. The whole block got hot, now everybody in the pot up. We still cooking and busting from all the trolls. And you around there ducking off and fucking all these hoes. And you knew people that me and you were supposed to know. And I was out there hustling, you around here doing shows, man, you supposed to break it off. You supposed to be my nigga, I'm supposed to take it off. Because now you playing your games and that's the same. Cause you done left me in the rain and you don't feel my pain. At only 15, I'd have been up in this game. And it'll never change, my brain will never be the same. Because what I was exposed to. And I thank God that I got to know you, and I got to show you all the history. And I thank God for my family, cause man, they listen to me when I was locked up. But you ain't give a fuck. You ain't tell my people none. Years after hustling, probably get your weeds up, but I don't give a fuck. You know why? Because I'm on my feet, and if a nigga get wrong, got my dogs, I got the heat. I don't play no games no more, that's why I'm solo. Fuck niggas be green and shit. Me ride my 4-4. Ask me if you know me, little nigga, I bet I won't go. I run with that 30-30 nigga run, gun on blow. Throw my foes up from the 30-30. If some niggas think I'm playing from the dirty. R.I.P. all my dogs, niggas wanna murder me. I pray to God every night that these niggas don't hurt me. See if they catch me slipping, then they gon' leave me dripping. But then if I die, then that was my decision. I could've took the good route and changed just like my brother. I could've stayed at home and prayed with my mother, cause she a pastor, but I guess I got into a disaster because these 90s demons after me. Niggas tryna blasting me and catching me and throw me in the backseat. Put a black mask on my sheet, but I don't even know who they be. So tell me what I'm supposed to do.